Hello friends, in this part we have already completed roughing and this rough ID. Now I want to do finishing operation. So click this create operation, and for finishing I have this operation, and this will work for outside or inside diameter, both side it will work. So I'm going to use this for ID. So select this, and under program, and my tool is this left-handed tool, and turning workpiece, and this is the finishing operation. So lathe finish operation is this. Click, and see the cut region, this all is going to be cut. So I'm going to define the limit. So click here, from this radial I want to click up to this, so this will finish, and in radial point 2 this is the second limit. Okay, so in this limit it will cut the material, whatever material is there, it will finish.